How to fix WhatsApp chat backup stuck problem. So all what you want to do, guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. First thing you want to do is open the settings, open the apps manager, go to the apps like this, go to the Instagram app. Now this is the app informations page, as you can see. Click here on this option and then go down, click on notifications. Make sure that all the notifications are enabled. After that, go back, click on the data usage. Make sure that all those options are enabled like this. Go back, click on the power usage details and click on the app launch. Make sure to enable the manage automatically option and click OK. Go back, click on open by default, click on open supported links in this app and choose always allow. And that's it. Restart your phone, reopen WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe.